Home prices in Greater Annapolis rose 13.9% year to date from last year to this year. The zip code with the highest price increase February year over year was 21409, up 24.9%. It's Friday, March 12th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Annapolis. Annapolis has 115 homes for sale. This number reflects another reduction in inventory, down further from last week's report. Also, fewer homes went under contract and closed over the last week. 22 homes are available for lease between $1,575 and $6,000 per month. 20 homes were listed for sale since last week. 24 homes are coming soon. 19 homes went under contract. 27 homes are temporarily off the market. 22 went to pending. 23 homes sold over the past week, with the highest sale in Whitehall for $2,574,000. If you have specific questions about the market or your circumstances, give me a call at 443-837-5645. Also, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 12th, 2021. I am Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.